So APIs solve business problems. We don't have an API because it's just an API. It's letting us have access to customer data, to company information, to produce information that's valuable. And we want to design for the people that are using this API. If I'm designing for people who mostly write in Java, I'll design a different API than ones who are writing in, say, PHP. If I'm designing mostly for people inside my company, it'll be different than if I'm designing for people in your company. So design is really important. And design first is this notion of thinking about what it is we're trying to solve. Who's our audience? What's the problem? That's the design. Now, what do we have available to us? We have these things called HTTP, which is really a protocol. The protocol that has URLs and has methods and has messages that we send back and forth. That's all HTTP is. What we do with that is up to us. Now, the web is a common practice, the common practice of sharing documents with links and forms and connecting people in a really loosely coupled way. And that's a great way to think about building your APIs. You're not building a giant monolith or building, you're building this loosely connected thing that people can use. And finally, REST is a very specific way of building loosely connected applications. We think of REST as really this series of properties about being able to modify things, change a URL, connect to another piece of information, send a form to explain something. So REST is the style, web is the common practice we think about, and HTTP is the protocol or the tools that we use. And that's a great way to think about all of it. We need this foundation of API first and this understanding of how all these tools work.